Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to guide you guys on how to add voiceover to your Facebook stories. Make sure to watch the video till the end and you'll be able to do it in no time. First of all, tap open your Facebook app. Make sure you're logged into your account and your Facebook is updated. After that, you'll be in your home page of Facebook. Then you can see stories option just below what's on your mind. Tap on the plus icon besides it. After that, you can see a create story option again. Tap on plus sign again. After that, you'll be in a page where you can create a story and you'll have to tap on the camera icon which is on the bottom of your screen. Or you can also select your story from your camera roll. After you tap on the camera icon, you can see the button which you can tap to record. You can long press the button to record a video and you can tap it to click a picture. So I'm long pressing it to record a video. After recording a video, you can see various options in the right column of your screen. Then you can see sound option. Tap on the sound option. After that, a menu like this will pop up on your screen and you can see add voiceover option in the bottom of your screen. Tap on it. After tapping on that, you can tap on the record button which is on the bottom of your screen. You have to long press it and say what you want to voice over. After you're done with it, tap on done which is on the right upper corner of your screen. How to tutorials. After you're done, tap on share which is on the right lower corner of your screen. So that's it for the video guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.